Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we're gonna check out some body kits available for the E46, so let's check it out. Let's start with the Mtech 1 body kit. Here we have one with the front bumper and some front bumper add-ons. Here we have two stock facelift and pre-facelift with the Mtech 1 front bumper. And here is the Mtech 1 rear bumper. Next, let's go to the Mtech 2 kit. Here's the E46 Touring with the Mtech 2 rear bumper, front bumper, and the front bumper has a front lip. This one has a dual exhaust. Next up, the M3 style bumper. This is the CSL front bumper with a front lip. Next up is the BMW Aero 1 kit. Front bumper add-on, rear bumper add-on and side skirts, as well as a small trunk spoiler. No words describe your savage life. Ooh, let's give it a go. The Hanan body kit. Front and rear bumper add-ons and side skirts. Heart jet. Front and rear bumper add-ons. And then we have the Alpina. Front bumper lip. And a trunk spoiler. Split. And the AC Schnitzer body kit. Front and rear bumper add-ons. And a special style rear bumper. And here's the M3 AC Schnitzer style. Next up we have the Revere body kit. Front and rear bumper. Another style of front bumper. And the CSL M3. And the Charger body kit. At least a front bumper that looks like a modified M3 one. Next up, Lemma Design. Full Widebody kit. And the Rocket Bunny Pandem body kit. Front and rear, Overfenders, front bumper add-ons, rear trunk, ducktail. This one is rocking the GTR style hood. This one has the CSL rear trunk. Next up, Street Fighter LA. Front and rear overfenders, rear and front bumper add-ons, and a ducktail spoiler ring on the trunk.
gotta save me from myself. This emptiness, it hurts like hell. My good intentions let me down. I keep getting in my way. My stubborn pride will dig my grave. Leaving behind with every step I take. Yeah. Cycle down.
Then the GTR Motorsport style body kit. Full white body kit, rear and front bumper, side skirts, hood. Next up, the CliqTuning kit, JDM style, front bumper, rear bumper, and side skirts. Musk Customs. Overfenders, rear and front bumper add-ons. Both for coupe, sedan, and even cabrio. M3 and normal coupe as well. Next up we have Diveriks Performance. They have a body kit coming soon called Trackman. And here is their E46 compact white body kit. Then Big Duck Club Overfenders. Art Motorsport Flares. Fibre Factory Overfenders. Huxley Motorsport. JDM style body kit. Front and rear bumper and side skirts. HGK Racing. Full body kit. Front bumper, overfenders. Maxton Design. Front, side and rear splitters. Industry Garage. Overfenders and front bumper add-ons as well. Now thank you guys for watching. Here are 2 videos for you to watch. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. And tell me down below in the comments which body kit is your favorite.